all campaign finance transactions must be validated and filed in the ORESTAR elections reporting system. Failing to validate and file a transaction by the transaction's due date may result in a civil penalty. A cash contribution is a monetary donation to a committee. For the full legal and procedural requirements for reporting campaign finance transactions, see the Campaign Finance Manual. To file a cash contribution transaction, you'll need the following information: the date the contribution was received, the amount of the contribution, the name and address of the contributor, and for individual contributors, their occupational information. After logging into ORESTAR, navigate to your committee's private workshop. Click on the Campaign Finance button to the right of the committee name. The page will automatically default to the committee's account summary page. Click on the Transactions tab to be taken to your transaction queue. Click on Add to enter a new transaction. Enter the data into the fields from top to bottom. Enter the transaction date by clicking the button to the right of the Transaction Date field, and a calendar will appear. Click on the single forward or back arrow to toggle between months, or the double forward or back arrows to toggle between years. The date of the contribution is the date it was received in the committee's physical custody, or the date the committee can access funds via an online merchant to facilitate the transfer to the committee's bank account. Select transaction type contribution and the subtype cash contribution. In the contributor payee field, enter the name of the contributing entity. Contributors that have already been saved in the address book will display below when the name is slowly typed into the field. To add a new contributor, click the Add button to the right of the Contributor Payee field. In the Amount field, enter the amount of the contribution without a $sign. A description and/or purpose is not required, but if information is entered, it will display to the public. An occupation letter needs to be sent when a contribution is received without the required occupational information. The letter can be sent by mail or email requesting the missing information and should be sent within 7 calendar days after receiving the contribution. If required, enter the occupation letter date by clicking the button to the right of the field and selecting the date from the calendar. The Notes field is not required and will not display to the public. It will only be visible to the committee and the Elections Division. After all the required fields for a transaction are complete, click on Validate near the top of the page. Click File. Read the attestation. Click File again.